Good day, students. Welcome to our online mathematics class. Before I will begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NARS Vlogs, and watch out for more videos. For this video, I'll be teaching you a lesson on combined operations. Here is a very important tips for you to solve. When finding the solution to a problem involving combined operations, do the operation within the round brackets first, or what we call the parentheses. So I have here some examples for you to follow. Example number 1. 1419 minus, open parentheses, 10,140 divided by 12, close parentheses, equals blank. In this given example, we will do what's inside the parentheses first, so that means the operation that we are going to do first is division. So just copy that, divide it using long division method, and 10,140 divided by 12. 10,140 is our dividend and the divisor is 12. So we divide right away. 1 divided by 12, not possible, so get the second digit, which is 0. 10 divided by 12, it's still not possible, so get the third digit, and we have 101 divided by 12. That will give us 8. 8 times 12 is 96. Subtract 101 minus 96. That will give a difference of 5. Then bring down the next digit, which is 4. 54 divided by 12 is equal to 4. 4 times 12 equals 48. Subtract 54 minus 48. That will give us a difference of 6. And finally, bring down the last digit, which is 0. And we have now a new number of 60. 60 divided by 12 equals 5, and 5 times 12 equals 60. Subtract 60 minus 63 equals 0. So that means the quotient is 845. Now we will be using this answer from the first given number, and we will just copy it again. So 1419, and the next operation there is subtraction. So write or copy minus, then the answer that we have inside the parentheses earlier, which is 845. So just subtract the two numbers. We will begin subtracting in the ones place and make sure that the digits are aligned to each other. We begin in subtracting in the ones place. 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, in the tens place, 1 minus 4, it's not possible, but no need to worry because we can borrow from 4 from the next place value and it becomes 3, and we add 10 to 1, it becomes 11. Subtract 11 minus 4, that is 7. 3 minus 8, you cannot subtract that, but there's nothing to worry because there's 1 on the next digit, so we can have 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So that means in example number 1, 1419 minus, open parentheses, 10,140 divided by 12, close parentheses, that will give us a final answer of 574. In this example, we do division first, followed by subtraction. Now let's proceed to example number 2. Open parentheses, 927 times 24, close parentheses, plus 18,413 equals blank. So what we're going to do first is the one that are inside the grouping, which is multiplication. So solve it first. 927 times 24. So write it vertical way. So we'll begin multiplying 927 times 4 in the ones place. 4 times 7, that is 28. So 8 carried out 2 to the next place value. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 2, 10, so 0, and carried out 1 in the next place value. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 is 37. Now we begin multiplying 927 by 2 in the tens place, but since we are starting multiplying now in the tens place, do not forget to put 0 first in the ones place. Proceed to multiplication. 2 times 7, that is 14, so 4 carried out 1, followed by 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 equals 5. And finally, 2 times 9 equals 18. What we're going to do is just add those two numbers, beginning from the ones place. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 carried out 1 in the next place value. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 12. So 2 and carried out again another 1 in the next place value. And finally, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So from multiplying 927 times 24, we get a product of 22,248. We will be using this number to add it to the second given number by adding them, because the next operation there involved is addition. So we just simply copy first 22,248 plus 18,413. Start adding from the ones place. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So 1 carried out 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Next, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So 0 carried out 1 in the next place value. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. So finally, when we do 927 times 24 inside the parentheses plus 18,413, we get a final answer of 40,661. Now let me give you example number 3. Open parentheses, 25,450 divided by 25, close parentheses, times 32 equals blank. So for this given, there are two operations involved, division and multiplication, but we will solve first what is inside the grouping or the parentheses, and it's division. So when you divide 25,450 by 25, you get a quotient of 1,018. Then we just simply copy the multiplying because that is the second given operation there, and also copy 32. So that means the second operation that we're going to do is multiplying 1018 by 32. And when you multiply those two numbers, you will get a product of 32,576. And this is our final answer. So all you have to remember when you do combined operations is always do the ones inside the groupings first, the ones that are inside the parentheses or round brackets. Okay, thank you and see you next time.